Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu without whipping cream, only wait. Start by separating eggs and whisking yolks with sugar until pale, then fold in mascarpone for a silky base. Whip whites to soft peaks and fold carefully to keep volume. Briefly dunk ladyfingers in espresso, layer with cream, chill for several hours to set, and dust with cocoa before serving for a classic finish. For a stable, airy filling without cream, whisk egg yolks with sugar until light and ribboning, then blend in mascarpone gradually. In a separate bowl, whisk egg whites to soft peaks and add a pinch of salt to stabilize. Fold the whipped whites into the yolk and mascarpone mixture in 2 additions, using gentle lifts to preserve air. This method yields the classic tiramisu texture without any heavy cream. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well as a bedside read for late-night baking inspiration. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it easily. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble tiramisu quickly to keep textures distinct. Dip each ladyfinger briefly in espresso and arrange a single layer, then spread a generous layer of mascarpone filling. Repeat for 2 or 3 layers depending on your dish depth. Smooth the top gently, cover, and chill for at least 4 hours or overnight, if possible, to allow flavors to meld. Finish with a dusting of unsweetened cocoa right before serving for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.